Ever heard a parrot say hello or mimic your laugh? It's not just random noise. Parrots are amazing vocal learners. They don't have vocal cords like us. Instead, they use a part of their throat called the syrinx, and they're experts at copying sounds they hear around them. In the wild, parrots use these sounds to communicate with their flock. In your home, you're their flock. And get this, some parrots can even understand context, not just repeat words. Sounds to actions, like asking for food or saying goodbye when you leave. It's not magic. It's intelligence, memory, and mimicry, all packed into a feathered brain. So next time your parrot talks to you, it might actually mean it.